Hi everyone, Mark here from Diaries. I've got another quick review for you today, and today it's the Bergen 4088 half-inch ratchet. It's a nicely made, very solid ratchet. It's polished chrome. Comes with a quick release there, obviously a normal switch, and 72 tooth head. It's quite long at 38 centimeters, and that's one of the reasons why I bought it. It's, for those sort of, you want a bit more torque. Now, as a comparison, that's my ye olde half-inch ratchet that came with the old Draper kit I bought probably, I don't know, 20 years ago. I'm not sure how many teeth that is. It might be in the 40 range, something like that. Certainly not 72. But you can see the sort of length comparison there. And this is that's the 3/8 long or longer handle flex head ratchet. So it's sort of near, in terms of length, sort of short breaker bar territory. But obviously don't use a ratchet as a breaker bar, because you're going to damage the ratchet mechanism there, because they're not really designed for that. This cost me, I was at a tool fair, this cost me £15, and I've had a look online and you can get them for about somewhere in the region of about £17. For the money, excellent value, I think. Let's just come out there. Yeah, so there we go. It's a 4088. I'm pretty pleased with it. You can also, if you damage the ratchet mechanism in some way, you can also buy replacement ratchet mechanisms for these. So yeah, quite nice. So if anybody's looking at buying this ratchet, I hope that's of help to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.